So we're going to change the water hose today. I'm going to take this cap off and this off. You probably don't need to take this off. This is a 16mm, but I'm gonna take it off anyway. I'm probably gonna do the oil change after. Let me show you what's going on here. So can't really see it. Oh, there it is. So this is leaking up there, and I don't know, it looked like it's leaking over here also, but maybe that's leaking from the top. So I'm gonna change this hose. This is it right there with the blue connector on the end. Right there. You can see it right to the lightest flashing right there. I'm gonna take these bolts are two there, two on the right side. I'm gonna try to get this out. I'm trying to do this with, oh, you gotta pop these out. 3 of them. These off. That way you can get easier access to this hose here. It's leaking down at the bottom. So you just press this out from here, and you pull this out. This is just so you have easier access, and these can move around a little bit. So you just press this clip in. I think that's the temperature sensor there. So this I just push the, if you have this electronic ratchet, then that makes the job so much easier. I couldn't imagine doing it without. You just push this up inside there. Once you get down here, you see what to do, and you loosen it. I hope I don't break this. I already put a clamp on this thinking that's the problem, but I think this is leaking from inside, so I'm gonna try and get it out. So you just pop this out going down. This truck has 50,000 miles in there, just a little over. There's an O-ring on the end of this, so you have to be careful. Oh, yep. So if you look, you can see the piece is still stuck inside there. That's why it was leaking from up here. So this is the old piece here. This is the hose. I already installed the new one. Right now we're gonna bleed the system. So what happened, this have another piece. I took it out, but it fell off inside the engine compartment. I couldn't get it. So then there's an O-ring here. But if you pull this off, you can see the other piece broke inside there. You could see it was just attached right here, at this point right here. All the other old plastic, it's amazing. So we're gonna bleed the system, and I have it hooked up to a charger. So you just loosen this. I already refill it with antifreeze. Look, so what you do, you put your key in, you turn your ignition on. And the ignition is on. Turn off your radio, all your lights, make sure your lights is off. Turn your radio off. And you turn your AC on. There you go. So you turn your ignition on, don't start the engine. And you turn your AC up to the highest power, the highest range. You turn your fan down to low. You hold the accelerator pedal for 12 seconds. 11, 12, and you release it. You should hear the pump going. So you can see the system is bleeding. It seems like it's routing back through this top hose here. So it's gonna do that for, I don't know, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes until it's finished. So just listen for it until it's finished, and you can tap it up after.